What's up? Here, Demonio Joe. I got the Snail, aka the Razor RSF 650, locked up right now, but I'm gonna do a quick bike check on it. So, got the upgraded crossbars right here. Along with that, I got these huge rearview mirrors, which help a lot. Got my phone holder here. I got this killer headlight. Works pretty good. The battery's inside the tank. I also got hydraulic brakes. Check that out. And down, well, you can't see the front one, but I'll show you the back one. There you go. And bigger rotors on them. They're now 160 instead of 140 millimeters. I put custom stickers on it. Its name is the Snail, not the Turtle. Ventura is where I used to hang out, where I used to live. What else? Oh, you can see the battery and the motor. Those are all upgrades. So it's by Electro Company. The kit on it is called a Sur Ronster MinE Moto upgrade kit. It adds more power than the Sur on stock, so you got to imagine this thing has enough power to blow away this thing's stock. Speeds I have done on this is 40 miles per hour. Got plenty of more juice left. I didn't want to bring it up any higher yet because I didn't have my knee pads. I didn't have my padding on. I just had a helmet and some pants. Other than that, that's the stock Razor. It's got the same bars and all that. I upgraded. This is the other side of the Snail. So there you go. That is the Razor RSF 650 custom bike check. Demonio Joe out.